Hey Glenn, Kevin, Classic Pinball here. Okay, this looks just like your Gold Strike game. It's similar, it's a little bit older, but here's what we're going to do to take you through the I press the button and nothing happens situation that you're experiencing. Okay, open up your coin door. Okay, this mechanism here, it's called the coin switch. First thing you want to do, try to push down right here. Does that have any effect on the game? Did it do anything? Did it start up? Okay, let's assume nothing happened, okay? And if nothing happened, you want to move on inside the cabinet, lift up your play field. It's going to make it easier. Hopefully you remember how to do that. Earlier when we spoke, the motor I was talking about is this. If you look through your coin door, okay, all you have to do is give this a little push with your finger. You see how when I just touch it, it starts to move? It's possible that your game has the motor stuck somewhere in between a third of the revolution. You may just need a little bump. Try that, and then try to hit your coin switch. If the game kicks over and starts up, that's a good sign. It should work from there on out. If it doesn't, right inside the coin door are the fuses. One of these fuses runs the motor that spins this guy here. If that fuse blows and this never moves, the game's never going to work. Okay? So, go through the coin switch, push the motor, see if you can get it kicked over that way. And then let me know what happens, okay? But my gut feeling tells me that will get you going. Thanks, buddy. Take it easy.